Shaka's crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with some Happy Mail. Woohoo! I love Happy Mail, and this Happy Mail is all the way from the East Coast, and it's from Crystal, and she's cruising with Crystal here on YouTube. Thank you, girl. I love it. I love Happy Mail. Thank you so much, and let's get in to see what she sent. Woo! Okay, so we have a card here with, I like this puffy heart and all the sparkle. Let's see. Oh, look at this. I think it's a 3x3. Let's check it out. It is 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3. It is. It's a 3x3, and I like the background paper. She's layered it a few times and added a word. I'm sorry if there's a glare. And then she put this pink puffy heart. And let's see. It says, "Thank you, Maka, for sending me my very first memory decks. I love it so much, along with that beautiful card you made. Thank you, Crystal." Ah, and she was kind enough to stick it on a sticky note so I can reuse this card to send to another crafty friend. Thank you so much, Crystal. I appreciate it. I'm sorry if it's loud. One of the kids is riding their little motorbike back and forth on the street outside. But OMG, look at her memory decks. Oh, it's so beautiful. And look at her packaging. She's used a tiny attacher, and she has these, these are felt flowers that she's layered with a silver heart, and then this beautiful topper that has this scallop trim. Would you call that scallop? I'm not sure. But hopefully you didn't see that. If not, I have to cut it out because her information was on the back. And let me just show you the back. How beautiful. I like that washi paper trim she used. Okay, let's see the front. Let's take a good look. She has this layered spring flowers with a satin bow. There, not bow, satin rose. She's layered it so it has dimension, as well as this teapot with the flowers, or watering can with flowers, and then this little flower too. She's popped all of these up. They're raised, and then she's added these satin roses here, and she's added rhinestones on the card, and then she backed it with this beautiful lace trim flowers, and then she's added this cute not ruffle, what is this? You know what I'm talking about. She's layered it a few times. Yeah, I can't think of the word right now. I'm sorry, guys. But it adds dimension, and I love it. Thank you so much, Crystal. I'm going to add this to my memory decks collections. I welcome anyone who wants to send me a memory decks. You can find my mailing address in the description below. I love memory decks, so yeah. Thank you, Crystal. And then she has this little package that's goodies. Let's see. Oh, so she knows I'm a diehard Diz nerd. And I love these. Look at these Mickey heads. They're like flat backs. You can attach them. Aw, thank you, girl. And it's so cute. She made these little baggies with the toppers that match. And I think these is just washi tape as toppers. So smart. But check this out. She shared some trim, some ribbon. And she has this paper clip that she's probably made and added this beautiful bow to. Oh, look at this Mickey. Aw. And then, oh, how beautiful. She's gifted me with a charm. Oh, and it has M on it for Mickey, but it could be for Maka too. This is so beautiful. Oh, and then there's some sticky notes. I heart MM. Me too. I love Mickey Mouse. Aw, these are cool. I'm going to take these to work so I can use them on my papers to brighten my day at work. Thank you so much, Crystal. I appreciate all the love that you sent in this happy mail. Hope you guys are having a great week and that you guys are finding inspiration. And I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers. And if you are not a subscriber yet, I would like to invite you to become one by hitting the subscribe button below, and then there's a little bell next to it. If you hit that as well, it'll notify you when I upload my newest videos, so you can stay tuned to my crafting journey. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Shakas!